Hello guys, welcome to Createch. So guys, if you want to increase the efficiency of your off-road RC car, watch this video. I'm going to increase the efficiency of my off-road RC car by considering some key factors. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Okay guys, let's jump to the video. This is a metal sheet and this thickness is around 0.2 mm. You might have seen this in the previous video. I made a chassis with this material and ultimately it is not that much efficient in off-roads. The motors are subjected to a maximum payload and the efficiency factor drops down in this chassis. So to increase the efficiency, we need to reduce the weight of the chassis. And now I had an idea to 3D print the chassis. This is the chassis that is designed in CATIA software and printed in FlashForge 3D printer. As you can see, the printed chassis looks too light in weight. The material which I printed is PLA. This is a single print and the holes and the shaft spaces are designed by taking the layout of the motor dimensions. The motor will be placed so perfectly because the design is so compact and the bot will have a lot of advantages in this model compared to the previous one. And I have designed a I-shaped leg for the U-clamp which will be additional support for the motor and that avoids vibration of the motor, which is another advantage for us. So guys, many of you may not be affordable of 3D printed parts or 3D printer. So don't worry guys, I have an option for this one too. This is acrylic sheet. This thickness is around 0.5 mm and this is so light in weight. And the another one is the mica sheet. These two things can be seen in industrial shops and you can place the ready-made clamps of the side shaft motor to this and make this as your chassis. And guys, you can see the holes all around in this clamp in which you need to screw up the motors. Screw any two nuts, that is more than enough, and have a U-clamp as a secondary support. This will surely increase the efficiency of your motor. And guys, this is a 3D printed part and this print didn't come up so well due to the temperature problems in the printer bed, but this will be perfect. As in the motors, I can't able to screw because of this uneven print, but it is a tight fit so that the U-clamp supports are perfect and the board is stable. And a keynote is before you print some final product and if the print is involved with some of the holes and threads, make sure you print a test print of it and figure out that is in a perfect design and dimension. In this scenario, I have printed a separate part of a single motor and tested it. Okay guys, let's build it. And here we go guys, this looks cool and compact. Compared to the metal sheet chassis, this is more compact and effective. And the size of the bot is also reduced and the weight is reduced more than 80%. And hence the motor payload is reduced, the speed is increased now. Then another major factor to increase the efficiency is the wheels that we use. I recommend to buy a all-terrain wheel which can bounce a little and have more grip over the plain surface and the slopes. so that it can move easily. I'll drop down all the list of the components in the description. Make sure to see that. This is a competition where you can see there is an off-road track. So since I had reduced the weight of the chassis, my bot has a high efficiency and speed. Watch the video guys, the car will get into rough terrains and slopes easily because of the compact design and the reduce in weight. So follow all the factors which I have mentioned in this video to increase the efficiency of your off-road car.
வாடா வாடா நட்டு வேற லெவல்.
Hope the video was informative and catch you all in my next video guys. Keep supporting Createch and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell button to get notified when I post a video. Bye guys.